Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whenever you're taking a look at this, this should just be a short supplement to go over some things to look for while working on our safety lab module. If you are in my physics class, this should be the same. I'm recording this over my physical science group. Again, it's going to be the same thing. Your folder is going to be a little bit different here. But you should still see a red folder after our student survey or syllabus or a lab coat assignment from yesterday. We should open that up and we should see three things. One, lab safety, right to know information. You might get some sort of weird image like this. There's a type of slideshow here. Go through it, take a look. Again, most of this stuff applies to when we're in the classroom, which hopefully we will be doing shortly. But I'm going to allow you guys to go through this, take a look at it. The next thing you'll need to complete is the hazard communication quiz. This will be your first summative grade of the semester. This is also something you need to get a 10 out of 10 out of. So it should be open for submissions, and you should be able to take as many attempts as you need to. The last thing I need you to do, I know I've been having you guys do a lot of these Google Forms, but again, we're collecting information, just making sure we're all on the same page. All right, so this is a Google Form just asking, did you do these things? And do you agree to them? Do you agree to follow these rules so we can be safe as possible in the classroom? So, any questions, shoot them to me on Schoology. If not, I will talk to you guys later.